Today crackles beneath the surface. It is not a day of ease, it is a day of power gathering, of unseen forces aligning. You may feel restless. Good. That is energy building. The key is not to release it impulsively, but to hold it, shape it, and choose where it flows. The coil within. Primary source. Scrying today is a day of internal build-up. Energy collects beneath the surface of events, conversations, and inner states. Your task is to witness this accumulation without rushing release. When action comes, let it be precise. Energy accumulation. Holding tension consciously. Inner power gathering. The pause before action. Precision through patience.